Hello, this is Will Whitaker, your mortgage partner, and I am here in my backyard taking this view. I feel extremely blessed to live here in Utah and to work with all of you. And I have 3 updates for you in this March 2022 market update. The first update is we need to consider expanded partnerships in 2022. We all know how challenging the market is right now, and we need to have a Swiss Army knife of solutions. There is no one-size-fits-all solution, and that is very important for us to grow and to collaborate and to cooperate more than to compete. So you may already have a mortgage person that you're working with. That's fantastic. I would like to be somebody just on the bench, somebody that you can pull from or draw from or ask questions to as you have them. Networking is so powerful. None of us are perfect, and we can all learn from one another. So I'm really looking to create a culture of collaboration and cooperation so we can help each other all succeed in 2022. All right, second market update, the customized pre-approval. What do I mean by a customized pre-approval? Well, I'm preaching to the choir here. All of you know that this market is very, very tough for buyers. And because of that, we have to customize our pre-approvals. We have to have a methodology that works to get their offer accepted. And I've helped develop that methodology. Every single seller is different. Every single buyer is different in terms of their cash preferences, their appetite to pay the appraisal gap or not pay the appraisal gap. So I encourage you guys to learn what this methodology is in terms of a customized pre-approval. I share it freely because, again, I hope that you could have a few takeaways to help you succeed and reach your goals in 2022. Let's work smarter together, not harder, to get your offers accepted. Third update, as we all know, mortgage rates are rising, but because of that, mortgage pricing matters. And I want to tell you why. Because buyers are getting discouraged, and some of your buyers may want to sit on the sidelines and not buy because they see and hear what's happening in the news. Well, if they can acquire a rate that's still a 0.5% lower than what most other banks are charging, which is very realistic through a wholesaler, then that will help them. It will ease their minds to let them know there are still low-cost loans available. Along with that, they can get approved for more money. So a 0.5% interest at a lot of these loan amounts with the median home price is the equivalent of almost $25,000 worth of additional buying power, which means a lot while you're negotiating. Similarly, in terms of cash to close, if you're looking at a note rate that's similar to another higher cost loan provider, that could potentially free up $10,000 in closing costs that they could save. And what could they do with that $10,000? Well, they can now pay the appraisal gap more easily, assuming that that is a risk on that particular contract. So there's your market update for March 2022. I look forward to providing more updates in the future and hopefully collaborating with some of you so we can grow together during this challenging time. But there's still lots of opportunity, and we are blessed to live where we live.